Hello viewers, welcome to you all, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how can you solve Instagram photo is not uploaded. So if you want to upload any photo or any post on your Instagram but it's not uploading on your Instagram, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna solve you how can you solve this problem. So stay watching carefully and I'm gonna show you step by step, so don't skip any step, stay watching. And before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. So step number 1, you need to check out uh, your phone data or Wi-Fi is perfectly connected with your phone, or your connection is good or bad. You need to check it out. Okay, after that you need to go your Play Store, and after go to your Play Store you need to check out Instagram apps, and you need to check your Instagram apps is update or not. So guys, here you can see my Instagram apps is not updated, so make sure your Instagram is update. So after that you need to step third, so you need to go your phone settings. So on the down right corner here you can see a option, your phone settings. So just open your phone settings. I open my phone settings, and after that you need to scroll down, and after scroll down here you can see option apps option. So open it. After open it, then go to manage apps. Here you can see. So what should you do? You need to find out Instagram apps from here. So I find it, and now go to clear data option and then clear cache, also all data. So guys, after that what should you do? Go to permission option, and you need to check out everything is okay or not. So you need to everything allow like that everything you need to allow on your Instagram, every permission like that. Access change file or internal storage is main. Okay, after that what should you do? Just go to your Instagram apps, and now tap on this plus icon, and you can save any photo, and then you can post it, you can upload it now. And then there you can see it's perfectly uploaded on your phone. So hope this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.